based on the given Venn diagram, answer the following. So, the universal set contains all elements shows, including those outside the circle. So, hindi kita makikita universal set. This is the universal set. Let's answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, siya yung universal set. Just put the comma. Next is the complement of A. The complement of A is the problem, right, complement of A. But this is almost always intended to mean the complement of A, right, as A. So, the complement is not in A. So, the answer is 7, di ba may 7? 8, 8, 9, 10, tapos 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, sorry, it's 17, 18, tapos 19, 20. Siya ang complement of A. Ang union of set of and B. The union include everything of A at di kang haingat to B. Di ba? Ito ang answer. So let's put it. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So siya ito tabi kumutang. Oh, no, 13 pa ngayon. 13, 14. Next is the difference of C, set C. No, since no second set is named, the usually interpretation of its element is only C. So, the answer is, it's so tapos A and B, ganun. And 15, di ba siman lang ginaaro? 15 and 16, 17, 18. So, and cardinality of set B. Cardinality means number, di ba? Number of element in a set. Element set. And di ba, an element set B is this one. Ini yung set B. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 19. So, ano yun na tanan is